Chef Carl, food whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Hi, I'm Chef Carl. Welcome to my home, Chef Carl Food Whisperer, and this is my friend and neighbor, Tammy.
Hi.
And your children.
So I am Tammy. I'm Carl's neighbor. I have two wonderful children, Austin and Isabella, and we are so lucky to have Carl as our neighbor.
And I'm lucky to have them as our neighbor, because what we had before, well, we don't want to talk about it. So, back and knees are killing me today. So Tammy's going to be on the grill. She's cooking shish kabobs. And go ahead, Tammy. And that's basically made with lamb, traditionally. And then now they cook it with everything. And brochettes, and we're making a steak and shrimp brochette, or surf and turf brochette. So we got shish kabobs, brochettes, and we got cilantro rice, which is brought to you by Uncle Ben's cilantro lime rice, and I microwaved it. The brochettes I glazed in sweet and sour sauce. That's a real mild sauce. And wishbone Greek salad dressing. It's got a little feta cheese and all kind of Greek spices. So, if you want, hand me those mushroom in that tray. Thank you. Be careful not to burn it. That'd be hot. Okay. And you can put the brochettes and shish kabobs in.
You want to take a look at the shish kebabs and see what you think?
I think they're good.
You think they're all right?
So, Tammy's going to take the shish kebabs off the grill right now, and now we're going to cook the brochettes because that's steak. The shrimp are already pre-cooked. The 16 to 20 count peeled in the vein jumbo shrimp, tail on from Myers. And I tell you, just put them in some warm water for about 15 minutes. They are tender, they're delicious. You don't have to peel, you don't have to devein, you don't have to make mess. No sanitation issues, good stuff. And now we wait. Now she's taking the shish kebabs off the grill. They've been on about how long, Tammy?
About 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes, okay. Now we put the brochettes on, and they should probably take another, I'd say, 8 minutes, because you don't have to cook the brochettes as much, because the shrimps are cooked and the steak is cut a little smaller. And you can put this next to, holy crap, that's it. On there, and put the brochettes on. Yeah, my back, and when you get younger, your back and your legs and arms, Ford, you wouldn't know that. They start hurting. Tammy's just a young lady.
Older than you think, Carl.
Yeah. Well, hey, I'm older than dirt. That looks good. We got a nice charring on the vegetables and the steak and the potatoes. Now the onions and the potatoes yesterday, I microwaved with just like a half a shot of water for about 5-6 minutes and kept them covered. And cooked them through about halfway, because there's no way the potatoes would cook through on the grill. And the onions would be crunchy, and there's nothing wrong with crunchy, but you don't want to, if you're a senior citizen, you might lose your plate or your teeth or something. Lose your mind. And she's in charge of the grill, so she knows when to peek at it and when not to peek at it. It's still good and hotter, right?
Yes.
Maybe slide them over a little bit, because that center one is the hottest. The shrimp are looking good, looking marvelous.
It smells good.
Good. In a couple of minutes, we'll put that. Go ahead and say, now I'm going to put some asparagus on the grill with the brochettes, and then put those on.
Okay.
If you don't mind. You don't have to put them all on, just put like 2 or 10 or 20 or 50 of them.
8 or 10 or 5.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, I think it's good.
All right, I think it's time for...
Okay. Now I'm going to add some asparagus along with the brochettes.
Yay! You could use your fingers. You boil them in water. It's okay.
That's fine. I'm going to burn myself on the
Yeah.
grill.
Just don't burn yourself. And the asparagus is just another vegetable you can add. I was trying to find yellow squash. I couldn't find it for color. Thank you, young lady.
You're welcome.
Boy, I'm getting hungry looking at these shish kabobs. And why are they called shish kabobs, Ward? Because they're made with lamb? Okay.
Shish kebabs.
Shish kabobs.
These are almost done, Carl.
Okay. Throw the lid down and
Yep.
I'll put them on. If you think they're done enough, put them on the plate and let the lid down for the asparagus. It's up
I'm
to
going to
you.
give it like 2 more minutes and then
All right. My master griller says 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes.
Wait till I see the bill for this thing. Oh, man.
All right, let's take these off.
Go all on one side. You stack them up.
These look so good.
And I'd like to say we're going to share this with you folks at home, but my wife Ellen and Ward and Tammy and myself, we're going to be forced to eat it. And of course, as the cameraman and my assistant, they get to take food home. So sorry about that.
Look at this.
Yeah, leave it there because you have to put the asparagus on top somewhere. I don't know.
On the other side.
Oh, I'll bring it over here. What the hell? You can just grab this tray because there's room for asparagus.
Let's do that. Okay.
I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Excuse me. But you grab this thingy, skewer thingy here. And now we wait like 2 minutes for the asparagus to get a little color on them. Then we take some pictures. Then we tell you folks it's been nice, but go home and we're gonna eat. Again, Uncle Ben's rice. Wishbone, vinaigrette dressing, great dressing. For anybody that wants to sponsor me, so I can continue doing this. And this is World Harbor's sweet and sour sauce. It's very mild. It's not like... What do you think?
I think we're
I
good.
think it's ready.
Yep.
All right, asparagus is ready. We're going to shut off the grill in a second. Put them on here so we have a little room for the asparagus on the rice.
This looks delightful.
Yeah. All right, that's good.
Asparagus.
And then we'll put the asparagus on the center.
Like that.
It's called asparagus, not asparagus, folks. Ain't you had no learning? Ain't you?
How's that? That looks good, huh?
All right, yeah.
Perfect.
The whole key is keep it simple, stupid. I call that KISS in chess school. They said, Keep it simple, stupid. K-I-S-S. And I don't know why they looked at me when they said that, but they must have had an idea. So here's the finished product. Tammy, show the hand there, lift it up a little bit. Not too far. He's got the camera down this way.
Oh, there's a fly.
Yeah.
Delete that part out.
And the fly is really not in the picture. It's your imagination. All right, well, this is Tammy and Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, saying, we're glad you joined us. Don't forget to watch my friend Mike, Everyday BBQ on YouTube, and watch Chillin' and Grillin' with Mojo. He's my other friend. Well, I have 3 friends.
Four.
So, 4, yeah, I'm sorry. 4, and their kids, 5, 6. All right.
6 then.
So that's going to be about it for now. Give me your ideas what you want to see, and that's going to be it. So goodbye, Ward, cut.